Hi fellow explorers, today we are at St Dunstan in the East Church. This church was built in about 1100, so it's quite old, coming up to nearly 1,000 years old, and it was actually destroyed or very badly damaged during the Great Fire of London in 1666, and rather than be completely rebuilt, it was patched up between 1668 and 1671. Christopher Wren, who designed and built St Paul's Cathedral and other sort of churches and stuff in London, added a steeple in 1695 to 1701, and that still stands today, but the church was actually destroyed during the Second World War from bombs from the German aeroplanes, and has remained ruined since then. So nature's now sort of overtaken, and we have this sort of apocalyptic like effect around the ruined walls and grounds of St Dunstan in the east. There is a St Dunstan in the west as well, which is fully intact, which you can go and visit, but this one in the east has been destroyed for quite a while now. We'll head inside in a moment. Here we go, near St Dunstan's Hill. I said it is right bang in the centre of the city of London, between London Bridge and the Tower of London. Very easy to find if you've got Google Maps. But it's a great place to just come and chill out for a moment from the hustle and bustle of visiting London. You just sit down, and it's very quiet around here. You can see all these old walls. Very apocalyptic looking, the way nature's just sort of taken over. There are actually some palm trees, we just passed one there. And if you are liking this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. It really helps us out. It's free to do. Thank you very much. So this is one of the insides of the walls. As you can see, lots of nature. There's a palm tree there, all overtaken. It's a winter's day today, so it's still February, and it's the trees haven't really fully grown their leaves back yet, but I might visit this again in the summertime when it's in fully bloom and see what the difference is like. Yes, you can see how quickly nature can sort of take over. If there ever was a zombie apocalypse, I'm sure this is what London would look like in its entirety after a few hundred years. But as you can see, lots of benches there. You can just come, sit down, chill out, and take in this lovely garden. So that's sort of the inside. We'll head outside in a moment, show you the outside of some of the walls. Here we go, it's on the outside now. You can see some trees and bushes, and you can see the extent of those branches and vines that are now overhanging the walls. There's a plaque over here, so that says. This fig tree was planted here St Patrick's Day. Here we go, around the gardens. And there's the Shard between those buildings there, as you can see. So it is very, very central in London. Great place to just come and take some time out. Quite a contrast to this old building, nearly 1,000 years old, in the middle of these modern buildings. Well, thank you very much for watching. As as I said, if you do like the video, please subscribe. It's free, really helps us out. Leave any comments below, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.